Hello, my name is Norma with All Things Handmade. This channel, we give you not only how to make DIYs, but we also do the breakdown so that you learn how much you invest, how much your profit is. Whether you're a small business or you're only doing it for your family, these videos will help you know how much to sell it, where to buy the product at wholesale. Everything that I do and I show you, I put links on the description box for you. But for now, let's stop talking. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. We are ready for another tutorial, a DIY. So I already shown the other video. I showed this wine glass that I made. Look at how nice it came out. This is a bottle that is still full, brand new. So we're going to do something similar to this, but I could not find any more of these strips. So I need to make something different. And because the next bottle we're making is for me, but remember that you can sell them. I'm planning on selling them as part of 2 glasses with the wine glass. That's an option right here. The one that we're making right now, I'm going to be using these strips, and I'm going to make it for me. But I think that if I was to sell an empty bottle of wine with this here, and I make this sticker right here, I took off both of the stickers and I put this sticker because it's going to be for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using, this looks like a cork and it's plastic, and it has some lights, and this is brand new. Let me show you how it looks. So because I already had all this wine and I don't feel bad about it, these are the lights that I'm going to put inside this bottle. So that's another option that you can do. You can sell them the bottle with the 2 glasses and not these, so that after they finish drinking the wine, they can rinse it off and they can put something like this inside. For something like this, I will probably sell it if it's personalized with the beads and the 2 glasses and this here. I can easily sell them between $49.99 and $54.99. For now, let's go ahead and start with the idea. So your bottle needs to be clean, and you probably need to have a rag close by to wipe it. We're also going to need scissors, little cutters, and little things like that, because you're going to need to cut on your you're going to need to cut these. And I am going to go ahead and separate them. So here they are. Okay, so I'm going to use this rag to put it down, just like so. And I want to work in a way that you can see what I'm doing. Here we have our bottle right like in the middle. So I'm going to just go ahead and more or less align it. I put a mark right here that goes with the beginning of the label. Okay, so there it is. We just wanted to go a little bit above that, just like that. So all I did was I put a mark in the middle. Where did I want to start? So here we go. We let it go flat, and here's the first one right here. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, so then we're gonna continue putting our other pieces just like that, and we can cut anything at the end. Okay, so we have the very first one. We're going to go ahead and lay the second one and try to just like make them one next to each other, just so that it all looks even right there. So we're just going to go touching like each other right there. See? what I'm using is this right here. Okay, so that they go one against each other like that. And the best. Okay, now we're gonna continue, and I'm just gonna show you like the beginning of it, and then you can go as high as you want. But let me show you how we're gonna make. We want to make sure that the front looks pretty and even. So we're gonna go here, right here, right here, right in the middle. See how this thing looks, and it goes even with the rest of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably just finish it here. Right there, cut it and go back to this side and determine how I want it done. So I'm gonna just here it is. We want to do the same thing, same like here. We're going to connect it here, right there, and then connect it around. Right there, right there. See that? Right there. So this is where it ended, and we're just going to go ahead and cut it right there. And then we can fix it at the end. If there's anything going on back here, we can go ahead and fix it at the end. Okay, but I'm going to be saving this piece. are right here. So I'm just going to do one more on top of here. And I have used 2 packages. So I have used 10 and I have this left over. So let's go ahead and do the last one. And then I'm also going to do up here. So, if you haven't subscribed and you're liking and you're enjoying the my videos, I will appreciate it if you can subscribe if you haven't, like, and make a comment. Tell me what is your aha moment, or even tell me how do you think I can make my videos better. Sometimes I get a little nervous and it's like, but you know, it can be done. Here we are. Okay, so I just need to cut this piece. So right now we're just gonna look in the back of it and try to fix everything that it looks kind of odd or cut, just to make it look pretty. And that's, I mean, really up to you, because I don't know what happened to yours. How was the design? But pretty much that's what we need to do. So that's ready. So all I'm really gonna do, let me go around so you can see it. Look at that. Look at that. See how pretty it looks? So let me just go ahead and put some up here, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay, you guys, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so then now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this inside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your light in there. And like I said, if you're selling the bottle with the wine and the 2 glasses, you can give them this on the side so that and tell them what can they do with it. And that's a gift that is going to go a long way. Okay, this, okay, very pretty bottle right there, and voila, look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, there you go. Pretty. Okay, so I have 1 bottle here, a full one, and this one is already empty with the lights. So here it is, guys. I want to thank you very, very, very much for watching my videos, and I'm hoping and praying that your family and yourself are safe. Blessings to you and your family, and until next time, thank you.